that is.
Yeah, like that.
저 예, 눈을 쇼. 쇼, 다 쇼.
이렇게.
미래의 교육은 이
그 동안이 포커스 내 생각들 나뉘지고 이해수 주급이 양한 민간지 우체나만 내내지 리더십으로 명확하게 나에게 최선정 법에나오면 유행 강화된다 혼육들 정확히 임하세 연예인으로 강화 사례는 우선시시 세대지 임원의 균이 마술 러브유지 가든 세비지고 양한 중앙이나 피지시 제수하노 입에 내고 공안한 세대 육군에서 뜻을 이뤄노 양한 자가시고들 너무 떠나먹고 시대로 팬티 강화나 돌리기 사대의 모든 학교시기 유치
Together to celebrate the 70th anniversary of India, would be honest and confident to issue rebellion against oppression, shaping the disunity of our love nation. On this day, August 15, 1947, India emerged from centuries of colonial rule, embraced the values of freedom, democracy, and unity. Independence Day is not just a day of celebration. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibhai, and many others who dreamed a sovereign nation. Their tireless pursuit of justice, equality, and dignity for all continues to inspire us. As we unfold our regular flag today, let us reflect on our responsibilities as citizens of independence. Calls upon to foster peace, promote inclusivity, and work tirelessly for the progress of our nation. We must strive a field with the result every inner has the opportunity to flourish. Where diversity is celebrated, where the values of love and compassion guide our action. Our rich heritage while embracing innovation and change. Together, let us work toward an India that is not only economically strong, but also a beacon of hope. Military and culture in the world, as we celebrate our freedom today, let us use our commitment to uphold the ideals of our great nation. Today, thank you very much and I praise you.
भारत माता की
Sudah siapkah?